At this watch, you will see it's 38,000 naira. But when you come to this website, you will see it's just 24,000 naira. And you see that this one is gold wristwatch. And you see the brand. You see it here, you see the carton here. And you see some information here about the product. Now, you also see this product here. What posture corrector is 15,000 naira. And when you come here, you see that this is 4,000. I think that is just about 5,000 naira. You can see it here. Now in this video, I will be showing how you can make money online without even having your own product. And you'll be selling product without even having your own product. And this method, where I can get a product for 10,000 naira and sell it. I can get it from one website for 10,000 naira, then I sell it in another website for 20,000 naira. And you know what? I'll be gaining 10,000 naira, and I can even sell at least 10 a day, and you know the kind of money there. So in this video, I'll be taking you through and explaining on how you can do this kind of business and you will be making money. There are many people doing this kind of business and they are really cashing out, they are really making money, tons and tons of money, just with their smartphone and even with a laptop. Now, I'm going to be taking you through. Now let's dive into my phone screen. The name of this first website is gg.ng. Now I have a website and I have an app also. Now for you to sign up, you click on profile. Then once you click on profile, before it will tell you to sign in or register. You click on register, then tell you to add your email, Gmail or email, then you add it. You log in with your email or your Gmail, sign up with your email or Gmail. Then you will now set your account. To set your account, you click on this setting, then personal details. You can put your name, last name, you see it here, all the information, then click on save. You can also add your phone number also, so that customer can reach. You can also change your Gmail, your language as much as so. So that is how you can set up all your profile. I'll be moving to the next. Now to post your gig, you click on sell. To post your product, then they tell you categories. You choose the kind of categories, either it's wristwatch or anyone you want to choose. Or let me say fashion. Then I click on wristwatch. Then they tell me to add the photo of my, then link to YouTube video. Maybe you can do a video about your product and just can do a video about your product and I'll put the link here about the product. You can do it on YouTube. Then the title, you can put it there, religion, gender. You can choose unisex for men and women, or you can choose only women, brand, then Rolex. Just follow through the process and you can just post hard. Now you can see something here, free. You see free, you see promo, you see all this one. Now if you are starting UGG for the first time, they will give you free to post your gig. I think it's for a month, maybe it's for some days, I don't know now. Then after that days, you will start paying money, and nothing less than 3,500. Now if you really make money from this thing before then, you'll be able to pay this money. You'll be able to pay this money. And if you are really making sales, you'll be able to pay this money. Now let's move into the second website. The website is called konga.com. Konga.com. You come to this website, you search for the product you want to buy. As you search for it, I've already searched it in ground, then click on add to cart. Once you click on add to cart, it take you here, then click on continue to check out. You can click on plus to add to buy two, or you can click on minus for one. But me, I'm going for one. So say continue checkout. The reason they are showing me this login because I've not logged in. I have an account, I've not logged in. Okay. Now you can see here now they tell you to check pause. They tell you to put you can click on the address of the person you want to deliver it to. See it, add delivery address. You click on add delivery address, then you begin to add all the address. Once you are done with adding address, let me say you now when you are saying 26,000 here, it's because of the delivery fee. And you can see here they do same day delivery, and that is the good thing about it. So you can just order it for your customer, just follow through the process. And if you want a video on how you can really just order this product, then I can also do a video. Just put it at the comment section, because I don't want this video to get long, and so that you guys don't get bored on it. So that is just through the process. You can buy this product, and then you can resell it and be making money without you even spending any money at all on it. The best way to make money here, I will tell you that you can go to your social media and begin to post this product, do videos on them, do good videos on all this product that you want to be promoting. And also, you want to know the kind of product that is trending. You don't want to just post product that is not trending. Then you can also put it at the comment section that I should do such kind of video for you. Now, if you start this business now, you are having some kind of money now. You can also buy those products that you choose and start selling it by yourself, because you have make money from it. So, cheers. Thanks for watching this video. I know you will get value from this video. Do it to like, follow me for more, because I will be dropping more video on this. And if you have any question, please hit at the comment section.